Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. I'm sorry, I know it's been a while since I've posted, and for that I apologize. But we're here now, so let's get into these recipes. So for this first night we had barbecue meatballs. I got this recipe from a good friend of mine, Dominique. She used to bring these to our potlucks, and she's the only food I would ever eat. Just saying. Yeah, so it's a very simple meal. All you're gonna need is frozen meatballs, or if you want to be spiffy, you can do homemade meatballs, barbecue sauce, and jelly. And yes, I said jelly, but don't knock it until you try it. It's really good. All right, so basically you're just gonna put your meatballs in your pot or your Instant Pot, and you're gonna add your barbecue sauce. For this meal, I halved everything, so I used one jar of barbecue sauce and half of the jelly. And that's pretty much it. And you're just going to get that stuff nice and combined and let it simmer and marinate together. And that's it. 10-15 minutes tops, or however long it takes your meatballs to thaw out. I just threw mine in there frozen because, the Instant Pot is wonderful. Okay, so I lied. 35 minutes is what I put it on, and that's it. Okay, so we have this coupled with some macaroni and cheese and some green beans, and that's it. And as you can see, I put my little plastic on there because I learned that in Mexico, because they're not trying to wash no dishes if you don't have to. But, of course, I did. But, yeah. All right, for this night, we had another odd couple paired meal. We had fish and spaghetti. Yeah. Guys, don't knock it until you try it. It's so good. But when you're making your fish, be sure that you use mustard, because that mustard sets it off and takes it to another level, okay? And then you just prepare it the way you like, season it the way you like. I use fish fry seasoning, and I add a little cornstarch. For my spaghetti, I do it the typical way I always done, and I just add a little pesto, make it to your liking. And I pair that with some pumpernickel bread. And guys, it's wonderful, and I hope you try it. And you already know. You can thank me later. It's fine. You can thank me later. For our last meal, we had chicken tostadas. It's very easy, very simple meal. Takes no time whatsoever to make. So here I am using my Power XL that I got, and I love this thing. It grills great, but I do have to say, when it comes to shredding chicken, I'm gonna stick to my Instant Pot. I was a little salty, But anyway, you're just gonna prepare this chicken however you want to prepare it. And then I added a little enchilada sauce after about 20 minutes. This is what it looks like. And then another 10 minutes, I had to shred this, and it took a little time. I didn't like that because with an Instant Pot, it would have just fallen apart by its little self. I had to just struggle to take this apart. Other than that, yeah, it was really good. And we're just going to layer this with refried beans, chicken, lettuce, or whatever toppings you want. It's up to you, to be honest. So, yeah, it was a very easy meal, and we love it. Hope you guys will try it, and stay tuned for our DIY.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. sound right, boy.
If you know me, you know that my husband and we made this table. We wanted to go with the restaurant thing. I don't know. One day I was just in a restaurant and I was just looking around and I was like, this food really ain't all that. I could make this at home better. And, I get an idea and I just go with it. And, of course, my husband was down. So we built the table. He did most of the work, but we built this table. And here you see me just rolling up napkins to go on top of my makeshift menus that I created to go with our little theme. And I'm going to redo our centerpiece just because I'm tired of the old one. It's nothing really fancy or anything like that, but I just want to do something different. So I hope you enjoy. I'm going to replace this with this jar that I found at Hobby Lobby. So stay tuned. Okay, so I just wanted to put out a little disclaimer and let you guys know that, yes, I know I'm a little off-centered in some places, or, the camera's shaking or sideways a little bit, and that's fine. It's fine. I did that on purpose because, you see, I'm just keeping it real. And I'm trying to do as little editing as possible. So, you're welcome. Guys, when I tell you, I cannot begin to tell you how long I stayed in Hobby Lobby this day. Like, it had to be about 2.5 hours. I went down every aisle that there were plants. I went down and through every plant that they had, and I put it in that jar and took it out, put it in that jar and took it out until I got what I wanted. But it's fine because I love being in Hobby Lobby. It's like therapy to me. Is anyone else like that? Or do I need to seek counseling? And not to mention, there was a picture, okay, that I wanted. And I said, you know what? Let me ponder on this. And then I walked around a little bit, went back to go get that picture, and someone took it. Okay, when I tell you I combed that store about 4 or 5 times trying to look for that picture or try to find who had it in their basket. I'm not joking. I wanted that picture. That's why. Lesson in that is when you see something you want, get it. Don't think. And here is the finished project. And I hope you guys enjoy it. It was fun. I mean, it was quick. It was simple. What I am going to also do is I'm going to add, I don't know, something on that jug. Maybe something like home is where the heart is or something. Either with my silhouette or with the stencil. We'll see. And I'll share it with you. Isn't it just the cutest little candle holder ever? Oh my God, I couldn't leave this in the store. It was the only one they had, number one, and I had already learned my lesson from leaving that picture. So this candle holder was coming home with me. So yeah, and it's just adorable. Everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. I know you could be anywhere else, but you've chosen to be here, and for that I am thankful to each and every one of you. If you liked the video, please like. If you have something to say, please leave a comment, and if you intend on staying, please subscribe. And until next time, everyone, stay blessed, stay positive, and I will see you in the next video.